On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.
What's up? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Back in the music lab with another. You already know another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia. You see what we dealing with today, man. You think we're back in the music lab and we're not playing? Yeah, man, we got one of the dopest young artists in that dance. Well, right now, I'm not veteran. You can't call no young artist no more, you know. You see me the other day, he was caught up in a whole bunch of controversy on social media surrounding some guy that dissed his mom and all that stuff, and apparently that guy get dashed, that guy died. People was blaming all that stuff, and then we see, you see me, we see Jahshii low key for the past couple, you know what I'm saying, couple of weeks, couple months later, he been low key. The last song we dropped from Jahshii was what? The last song we dropped from Jahshii was actually really dope, you know what I'm saying? He really did his thing. I'm trying to remember what song that was, you know what I'm saying? But the last song we did from Jahshii was what? That's crazy, man. I'm trying to remember. What was the last song we did from Jahshii, man? It's been a little minute since we reacted to Jahshii. I mean, right after the whole controversy with his mom and everything, I believe it was Braveheart. You know what I'm saying? I believe Braveheart was the last song we reacted from Jahshii. You see me? Speaking about the whole situation, they trying to bring down the artists and all that type of thing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Jahshii, they're back. You look like your dog is back on the grind. He's back in the building. You see me? And today we got a new track from the G. The one entitled "Dream to Reality." You see me? And say so. I check him out and see how I deal with. From the title "Dream to Reality," I'm kind of expecting, like, you know, dog. You know what I'm saying? Like, from the title "Dream to Reality," I'm kind of expecting, like, yo, dog, I talk about all them success and everything and how, you know what I'm saying, everything come full circle. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm interested. Jahshii has some very interesting topics to speak about, you know what I'm saying, and always have, you know, very lyrical, very creative, all that stuff. Song them very passionate, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, we not to hold up the vibes. Everybody, we know Jahshii already, I know what Jahshii capable of, so we're gonna check out the new track and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, once again, this is Jahshii, "Dream to Reality." Let's get it.
Greatest thing I know you want in a life, you know me, dog.
That's facts, that's facts. Greatest thing if you know what you want, man. Once you know you want, you know where you make a plan to get it and know where you're going, you know what I'm saying?
Them where they are weird, they can't go around, you see it. Yeah. We're too smart for me, you dust. On the can't test me for being a failure. If you work me days in a jail yard.
We are too smart for the haters. I want to know, man. Yeah.
Me set tunnel vision, I'm in a change that. So I stay focused on the paper. Yeah. From studio tour bus to the aircraft. Can't tell when last me see my neighbors. Still no one build in
studio for tour bus to the aircraft. I want to hear man saying can't tell the last time you see neighbor. You see me, man, stay traveling.
The box man, man, can't hold down them brain, yeah. Never complacent, me no lay back. Now live a parent, I feel lay black. Teach me son life before grade 1.
Small mind can't hold down them brain. Arm to them, man, arm to small mind. You can't
separate Mr. Clark from me, alias. Yeah. Millions, me can like a family, yeah. When I miss no time, when I hear wrong. God in a mistake, I want in the chamber.
Nah, miss no time, we not hear him wrong. I want to them, man, I want to them.
Yeah.
Boo.
Them not like visit dreams.
Gotta keep grinding, man. Got that mafia, we gotta keep grinding, man. We taking this stage to stop, bro. No more door, no more, none of that. No fear, no door, none of that in my mind, man. We gotta go straight. We can't stop it, bro.
Me level up like there's no gravity. Inevitable, them can't stop what we be.
Inevitable, them can't stop what we be. I want to them, man. Listen, Jahshii. I mean,
I miss the family over vanity. No feel like oh Jahshii live, but me a boy when I listen everybody lip. Still I have
vanity.
Me charity, no matter the negativity.
Like oh John live, you know what I'm saying, but we not listen to everybody lip. I want to them, man. We are taking to the top. We know we are building, so you see me. Everybody have to see it. But
stay positive, and so me tell them as it is. The barrel will make nice a cabinet. So me no complain, me no do the quarreling. Everything out with the strategy.
barrel they make nice. The barrel they make nice. A crab in it, my yo. Don't listen to them. There's a crab in a barrel I try to pull you down. So don't listen to them. But everybody I make it to the end with you. You see me? Some people have to fall off along the journey. But yeah man, if they don't see vision, I saw you go.
Come on, I wanna the greatest. Nobody fi stop this. Oh my lord, me see reality now. Yeah, the time pass. When another youth start drive car, them want see your dreams crash and go right up.
Facts, dog. Facts. When I young youth to say you start. I left from riding bicycle, left from walking to riding bicycle, from riding bicycle to bumbuckler drive car. They want you crash. You see, want to see your dream crash and you fall out. None of that. Burn off all of that. I want to see dreams turn reality, man. Level up like bumbuckler. We don't know gravity. I want to
Inevitable, them can't stop laughing me.
Facts. Yeah, man, I love this song, man. Inevitable, then can't stop off it. I'm telling you.
Family over vanity. The sick enough said them a fam. I got me for the vanity. I wear them a plan. Energy them a scam. I love pointing at the barrel for all who wear a crap. They watch them.
Say them what them a plan, man. One day I plan up. I'm not gonna talk about family and I chat certain crazy stuff. You see me, I could have them a plan. I feel like say we not see Sykes. Tia man, yard people have small think can't pull certain moves.
I grade in my brain, I keep the nebula strong. Fi make it on from nobody regular can. This system set it so nobody say me a done. If you understand, one out of many make it.
System set it so me a done if you understand. You know what I'm saying? I dem on the bumbo and my pine finger. Come in.
Me give thanks to life and the changes. My music I take me go places. No, the garrison I grow me feel lazy. No time me dying at the plane and I pray the view. I the world I wait so me no need for proof. I win people ask so me if you lose me know you believe and I believe it true.
Facts, they are win people at how if you lose, eh? We gonna take over you to one person at a time. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah. See this right now, hit that subscribe. Hit that like button.
Come on, I wanna the greatest. Nobody fi stop this. Oh my lord, me see reality now. Yeah, the time pass. When another youth start.
Yeah, I mean, man, see reality now. Time pass. To you, man. To your dream turn reality. That we say. Yeah, see me.
Them want see your dreams crash and go right up. Them not like fi see dreams turn reality. Me level up like there's no gravity. Level up.
Dreams turn reality. Level up like there's no gravity. I want to them can't keep it tight to the gun, man.
Inevitable, them can't stop laughing me.
Sir.
I miss the family over vanity.
Facts. Big facts. Dreams turn reality. Sometimes I feel discouraged, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I feel like say, yo, is the work I'm putting in isn't worth it? It's gonna pay out someday. You know what I'm saying? I wonder, yo, I waste my time and I did. But just remember, man, you see me, just keep putting that work and focus. You see me, eventually one day you're gonna make it. You see me, the time gonna pass regardless. You see me, so if you think about quit and you know what I'm saying, yo, you know, feel like this, man, it'll take too long, just remember, the time gonna pass regardless. So better you there put in the work, you see me? So when the time, you know, if anything time pass and you look back, you're like, damn, come far down with me today, you know what I'm saying? You see me? And even if you not reach it, when you look back, you know, you're there closer. You see me? I say, so, yeah, man, never give up, man, you know what I'm saying? Don't make things that I feel like say it'll take too long or you feel like say, yo, the work you put in no come, man. Eventually your work gonna pay off. And if you're worried about the time and how long it's gonna take, just remember, time gonna pass regardless. You see me? Whether you're doing, whether you're putting in the work or taking steps towards your dream, the time gonna pass regardless. So might as well the time pass while you're putting in that work and taking that step to get closer to it. You know what I'm saying? Big facts, man. No joke. Yeah, man.
Stay positive. We're too smart for me, You know I can't even get to work already, man. Do it with my mic, man, you hear that?
Yeah, man, small man can't hold the brain now. I'm to them.
I told them I fight to see. Level up on the pagan them.
Yeah, man. Level up. Shane Creative. What I mean? Shane Creative have some of the best videos in dancehall, man. Big up yourself, Shane Creative. Facts. Yeah, man. Big up Jahshii. Yeah, man. Dog back at it with another banger. Dreams to reality. That was a vibe, man. I like that one. Yeah. It's like I needed that. You know what I'm saying? I think that, you know, I think I needed it. I think that was motivation for me, man. Yeah, see me come one time there I do the video, I'm like, damn, you know what I'm saying? People don't like the video as much as I like, you know, they don't like it as much as this video or the last video. Yeah, yo, I wonder if them people gravitate toward them now. See subs that are coming. Sometimes subs will come in enough, and then sometimes you're like, damn, man, is this even worth it, man? You know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, man, the top payoff. You see me? Came a far away. You see me? Still got far to go. You see me? Now stop. But you know, just the other day, you see me? Nothing, you know? Video wasn't monetized, no video monetized, and things are going. So man, you gotta just keep it putting that work. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I had 0 subs. Now I have over 2,500 and we're growing. You know what I'm saying? We're growing. We're gonna hit 10K before the end of the year. Next year we're gonna hit 50K. You see me? 100K. Yo, man, more than that, man. You know what I'm saying? Just keep working on this stuff. Keep the faith and keep believing that God. You know what I'm saying? Yo, once you ask God for something, it's gonna be granted. You know what I'm saying? So we just go and hold on till it reach. You see me? Cause you don't have it already, you know. You don't bless me with it, you know. Just hold on till you reach it, man. You know what I'm saying? No joke. Yeah, man. Now, guys, let me know what you think about the one day. That's Jahshii Dreams to Reality. Yeah, man, that one is a definite vibe. Jahshii, keep doing your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Great artist. Full of lyrics. Very inspirational. Full of style, too. You see me? Very passionate music, man. You know what I'm saying? Sing from the heart. Yeah, really shit, man. You know, Jahshii sing, man. You see me? You can connect. You can feel it. You know what I'm saying? And even though my sing about feelings, not that sad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's type of vibe. You see me? So big up Jahshii. Yeah, man, you're a real talented artist, guys. Let me know one thing about that one, guys. What was your favorite part? With beat, melody, lyrics, style, video, whatever your favorite part, drop in the comment section. You see what I'm saying? Let's chop it up. Let's start that discussion. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, and let me know what I'm react to next. You see me? I definitely get it done. You don't know what time it is, guys. A new month, guys. Let's try and get. You see me? Let's try to get 1,000 subs this month. You know what I'm saying? Try to get 1,500 subs this month. You know what I mean? Let's get on track, man. Let's grow. Let's vibe. You know what I'm saying? Let's grow and take over this thing together. You see me? Down Mafia. Then can't stop winning. You know? You see me? So yeah, man, guys. I don't know. Your boy Jambisco. The next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. You know, I love you guys, and I'm out.